Hello guys, welcome back to Social Freelancer. My name is Abhimanue. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to switch your TikTok personal account to a business account. Hello guys, welcome everyone to Social Freelancer. Welcome everyone to Social Freelancer. Today I'm going to talk about this topic is about my name is Abhimanue. My name is Abhimanue. And before jumping into the video, I want to share one thing. These business accounts are mainly useful for people who are doing some kind of businesses, okay? Like a photographer, hotel, resort, restaurant, cafe, whatever it is, a tattoo studio, people who are doing some kind of businesses. For them, these business accounts are very useful. Why I'm mentioning them is, for them, this business account will give more analytics, like from which part of the city you are getting more traffic and which age group of people are visiting your channel often. That's why people are using business account. I hope you understand this point. Instagram is also having the same feature, okay? Right, but right now I will show you how to switch a TikTok personal account to a business account. Just come with me. First you have to do is open TikTok profile. Then on top right side of yours, you can see three dots. Click that three dots. Click three dots and you can see on top manage my account. Click manage my account. After clicking manage my account, you can see on bottom you can see switch to pro account. Here you can see the switch to pro account. Click that. After clicking that, you can see some options like this. Get a TikTok pro account. Just click the continue button. See analytics options. You'll be able to see the analytics. Continue. You can select whatever category you belongs to. Okay, there are public figure, personal blog, education. You can select the category which belongs to. Okay. After that, it will show you welcome to your pro account. You can find analytics in settings. You can find the analytics in the settings option. See under this share profile option, you can see the analytics. If you click analytics, what else you can see is you can see the video views, the profile views, how many people have viewed your profile, and also you will be able to see the percentage of male and female who are visiting your profile. Okay. Next thing is the top territory. Here it is showing India. The people from India are mainly visiting my page. Okay. And the next thing is the follower activity. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, just smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Cheers guys, I'll see you in next video.